What's up, guys? My name is Henry from the company GI Technologies, and currently we are inside Lakeside Estates, where we did a very beautiful installation for our customer here. It's a very beautiful house. As you can see, it's a beautiful penthouse, and we fixed our video intercom system, our electric fence, and then we did CCTV. There was some very beautiful integration, as you know, us to always do. Now we have integrated the camera system into the video intercom system, such that if somebody presses on the doorbell, there's a camera right up here that is able to see the full body before you answer the person. So I'm going to demonstrate how the camera system works, and then hey, if you have any question, you can just leave it on the comment section. So I'm going to press on it.
Please wait a moment.
Calling now, please wait a moment. Let's go. So as you can see, it's ringing on this screen. On the ground floor, we have a screen here. And then as you can see, it's ringing on the top floor. Now, if I want to actually see the full body of the guy standing there, I have a camera that is outside. When I click on it, it sees the full body, because we want to be sure that it's not like a bad guy that is trying to come and, hide behind your intercom and then do some bad stuff. So there's another camera angle to see the other side. Now when I'm done, I just press on this one, then I'll see the face and I can talk to him. Hello, Kwesi. Hello, Kwesi. What's your name? Is it loud and clear? Okay, all right. So basically, if you have any intercom job, you can give us a call. Like this beautiful house, we actually did our wiring, our cutting job, and everything. And when the client was actually done, they invited us, and then we came to do the installation. Make sure you give us a call. We're in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. We are everywhere in Ghana. Make sure you call us. Thank you very much. Let's go. Let me show you the electric fence. Close that, right?